Type your text. Make the text transparent and pick a stroke color. I use a stroke weight of 10. Select the selection tool. Go to Effect, 3D and Materials, 3D Classic, Extrude and Bevel. Position, Isometric Top. Extrude Depth, 0. Surface, no shading. Go to Object. Expand Appearance. Hold Alt and drag the text up to copy it. Hold Alt and drag the text to the side to make another copy. Adjust the color of the top text. Make the bottom text the same color as the background. Use the selection tool to select both texts. Go to Object. Blend. Blend Options. Select specified steps and use an amount of 500. Go to Object. Blend. Make. Place the text on top of the other text. And that's how you create this text effect.